Plumbing issues can be daunting, but with the right tools, many common problems are surprisingly manageable. Equipping your toolbox with essential plumbing instruments empowers you to tackle leaks, clogs, and minor repairs with confidence. This guide will walk you through the fundamental tools every beginner handyman should own. Before diving into any plumbing project, always prioritize safety. Simple work gloves protect your hands from grime and sharp edges. Having a bucket and rags nearby is crucial for containing spills and keeping your workspace clean. A reliable flashlight or headlamp is also invaluable for illuminating dark, cramped spaces under sinks or behind appliances. An adjustable wrench, often called a crescent wrench, is indispensable for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts of various sizes. Its versatility makes it a cornerstone of any plumbing toolkit. For larger pipes and fittings, a pipe wrench provides the necessary grip and leverage, especially on galvanized pipes. Tongue and groove pliers, commonly known as channel locks, are excellent for gripping irregular shapes and pipes. Their adjustable jaws offer a strong, non-slip hold. Slip joint pliers are also useful for general gripping and bending tasks, making them a versatile addition. A basin wrench is a specialized tool designed to reach and tighten nuts in tight, awkward spaces, particularly under sinks. It's invaluable for faucet installations and repairs where standard wrenches simply cannot fit. A set of hex keys, or Allen wrenches, is also essential for many modern fixtures and appliance connections. For cutting various types of pipes, a dedicated pipe cutter is far superior to a hacksaw for clean, straight cuts. You'll want specific cutters for copper, PVC, and PEX, depending on your home's plumbing. A hacksaw remains useful for cutting through bolts, old pipes, or other materials where a pipe cutter isn't suitable. Every home needs a good plunger. A standard cup plunger works well for sinks and tubs, while a flange plunger, with its extended rubber lip, is designed specifically for toilets. For more stubborn clogs, a hand auger, also known as a drain snake, can reach deeper into drains to clear obstructions. A reliable tape measure is crucial for accurate measurements when cutting pipes or planning installations. Precision prevents costly mistakes and ensures a proper fit. Always measure twice and cut once. Thread seal tape, commonly known as PTFE or Teflon tape, is vital for creating watertight seals on threaded pipe connections. It prevents leaks by filling tiny gaps in the threads. Plumber's putty is another sealing compound used to create a watertight seal around drains, faucets, and other fixtures, particularly where they meet a surface. A basic set of screwdrivers, including Phillips and flathead types, is necessary for disassembling and reassembling many plumbing fixtures. Many fixtures are held in place with screws, so having the right size is important. Keep a utility knife handy for cutting tape, opening packages, or scoring materials. With these essential tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to tackle most common plumbing issues around your home. Start with simple repairs, learn as you go, and build your confidence. You'll be surprised at what you can accomplish